How to check in selected reservations in a group. This video will show you how to check in selected reservations in a group. Let us see how. Right-click the group reservation you wish to check in. Click View Details in the context menu that opens. The reservation opens in a new tab. Click Enable Editing to make any changes. At the bottom of the page, select the checkbox corresponding to the reservation that needs to be checked in. Click Check-in Selected. An alert appears. Do you wish to check in selected reservation? Click OK. The check-in card opens. Click Print to print the check-in card. Click Close. The reservation status gets updated on the front desk, which is indicated by the change in color. Note: a reservation can be checked into a clean room only. This brings us to the end of the video on how to check in selected reservations in a group.